Most people think tricep dips are simple, but one small mistake can quietly destroy your shoulders instead of building stronger arms. If your shoulders hurt during dips, your body isn't weak, your form is sending you a warning sign. Be honest, when you do dips, do you actually feel your triceps working, or just pressure in your joints? This is the mistake almost everyone makes, going way too deep and letting the shoulders collapse forward. The perfect dip begins before you even move, shoulders locked down, chest proud, and core tight. Imagine pulling your shoulders into your back pockets. That tiny adjustment instantly creates stability. Your core is the foundation of the movement, like the base of a skyscraper holding everything steady. When the elbows flare outward, the stress leaves the triceps and crashes straight into the shoulders. Keep your elbows tracking backward to place maximum tension exactly where you want it, the triceps. Lower yourself slowly like an elevator, not like you're falling into a chair. Rushing the descent destroys control, and once control disappears, injuries start showing up. For most people, this depth is perfect, controlled, strong, and safe for the shoulders. Going deeper isn't always better, especially when your joints are carrying more stress than your muscles. Drive upward with control and power while keeping your entire body stacked and stable. Slamming into a hard lockout may look strong, but it adds unnecessary pressure to the elbows. Finish each rep tall and controlled to keep constant tension on the triceps. Leaning forward shifts more work into the chest, turning the movement into a different variation entirely. But staying upright with tucked elbows puts the spotlight directly on the triceps. If bodyweight dips feel impossible, assisted dips are the smartest place to build strength safely. Perfect technique matters more than ego. Even advanced athletes master the basics first. Slow negative reps teach your muscles control before they learn explosive power. When the core becomes unstable, the entire movement starts falling apart. Healthy wrist positioning creates stronger force transfer and protects the elbows from unnecessary strain. Poor wrist alignment may seem small, but it can create pain all the way up the arm. Slowing the movement down forces your muscles to work harder without needing extra weight. If your shoulders roll forward at the bottom, your body is telling you the position isn't stable. The strongest athletes aren't the ones moving the wildest, they're the ones moving with precision. Same exercise, two completely different outcomes depending on your technique. Now challenge yourself, try 10 flawless reps and feel how different proper mechanics really are. Master the basics, stay patient, and every clean rep will make you stronger, safer, and more powerful.